Hi guys, how are you? I'm back by another video. Okay, for step one, I'm going to setting in my camera and change the quality to RAW and JPEG. After that, I set up my light and I stand in my chair and see the light. As you can see, I use the Godox and parabolic, and after that I sitting on the chair and see the light and see the problems of the light setup. Okay, as you can see, the parabolic is a key light. After that I have a fill light, and my fill light is a umbrella, and this is my setup for portrait. Step 3, I set up the focus, and after that, as you can see, I put the focus on the small and set a focus on the eyes. Change the aperture to 3 or 4 and take a photo. Is it too much? I change the ISO to 15 or 100. Now again I take a photo. As you can see, I take a photo for test. Okay, after that I'm going to set white balance. I'm going to set and press the button. Now I have a photo by set up the white balance. After that I take a picture and I take a photo by gray card. After that I'm going for photography and take another photo, and I have a same white balance in every picture. After that I'm going to set up on the metering mode. Okay, I'm back.